Hi guys, today we are going to make garlic peppered chicken. Let's chop 4 cloves of garlic, green onion, white onion, half a bell pepper, and let's trim our chicken thighs. Trim the fat off, just the excess fat. Heat pan and add oil and add the chicken and sprinkle it with salt. Once the liquid evaporates, put the chicken on the side and add the onion and sprinkle it with salt and cook it for a minute or two. Once the onion is soft, mix it with the chicken and push it on the side. Add the bell pepper and let it cook on the side, and while it's cooking, let's add coriander and cumin to the chicken, and we will add our black pepper, our garlic powder, and the soy sauce to the chicken, and we will add our fresh garlic to the bell pepper and let it cook for a minute. Just keep mixing it and then mix them all together with the chicken. Add the paprika and the white sugar and just mix them all together. My technique here is to keep mixing every time I add something to our chicken. And we will add our oyster sauce and mix them up. Add the cilantro and green onion and mix it. Turn the heat off and it's ready to serve. Complete list of ingredients and instructions, just check the description box below. Thank you! I hope you guys like it. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.